Good day everyone. Today is first Sunday of June and I'm here in the garden clearing some dirt because we cut the branches of the big cedar tree we have here because it's almost falling down the rooftop of the pergola. So we have here the remnants, and even though it's quite hot, I'm trying my best to clean some of the waste. And my husband, I was thinking to use this one as a design for the garden, but my husband said it might have some pests that will damage other healthy plants. So ilalagay na lang po namin siya sa green bean, o dito sa Canada meron tinatawag na black bean and green bean and blue bean. Pag blue bean, yun ho yung nire-recycle, no? So it includes lahat ng klase ng recyclable. Ibig sabihin pwede uling gamitin or to turn into a different kinds of usable materials, no? Hindi siya poisonous, kaya pwede siyang i-recycle. Yung green bean, ito yung mga sa ating kaning baboy o food waste na sometimes hindi mo na magawang mag-compost kasi you're quite busy or yung lack of space. So they have provided us the green bean para ilagay lahat doon ng waste product. Pati yung mga paper towel that were used for clearing up soil dishes, yon, pwede yon. Mga paper plates na ginamit during parties, pwede rin yon. So andito, ito kasama to, itong mga leaves ng cedar, trunks and twigs, ilalagay ko. So nandito ako sa taas ng deck at trying my best to do some cleaning kasi napagod yung husband ko ng kakakat. So ito yung mga kinat namin, medyo lumiwanag. Mamayang hapon, pag medyo madilim na, ililinisin naman namin itong four corners ng roof para tuloy ang daloy ng tubig, just in case. Ito na yung succulent ko, which we planted, repotted siguro last month. Binili namin siya sa Peace Ark Nursery. Ito, thriving na. And siguro ilalagay ko na siya directly to the pot kasi mukhang nag-thrive naman siya dito sa area. Kasi ito, quite shady, pero may air. Kung umulan man, hindi directly because medyo makapal itong aming big cedar tree. So ito yung aming old Mama Mary na when we were very new to this place, pinalagay ko sa husband ko. Siguro aayusin namin siya uli, no? Sa pagka nakakita kami ng mas maayos na pamamaraan para mapaganda siya uli. Kasi symbolic na to eh. This year, next year will be our 10th year in this new place. So, magandang milestone yon. So, this is all for now. Maglilinis-linis ako. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung aking bagong succulent garden, thriving. Meron akong jade. Meron akong iba't ibang klase. I can't remember all the names kasi some of them are new species, new varieties, pero talagang kasi tinanggal ng husband ko yung mga nameplates. Pero to jade, look at the jade. At saka ito, I think this is you have a lot of this in the Philippines. So this is a bigger one and this is the tiny one. Yan. So ito yung sample ng cactus. Ito another kind of succulent. Ito yung mga kind na wala kami in the previous years. Yan, look at that. So tinitignan ko kung mapaparami. Ito yung donkey's tail o boar's tail. Tinignan ko from the big bunch, inilagay ko yung nalalaglag. Titignan ko kung it will grow. So ito yung succulent ko, ililinisin ko pa, and then tingnan natin kung dadami. This one is really nice, no? Ibang klase, ngayon lang ko nagkaroon nito of This is my third year of doing the succulent garden, yung vertical garden, pero natutuwa ako, mukhang nag-thrive siya kasi maliit lang siya. When we bought this succulent variety, it was quite small, no? Parang thumbnail lang siya, pero ngayon lumaki. Natutuwa naman ako. Lahat ng binili namin, 20 of them, lahat surviving and thriving. So, enjoy the sunny Sunday afternoon, and more plants to come. Kasi pag closing na yung nursery, usually they provide 50% off. And that's the time I usually buy perennial. Pagka 50% off, to ensure that the following year, I have a new variety to share with you. This is how I spent my Sunday. Kasi yung mga apo ko, it's not with me. They went to St. Matthew Church and directly goes to another park for the children to enjoy. Hopefully, lahat kayong mga retires nag-i-enjoy na tulad ko. Again, this is Au Lucas from Langley, BC. Enjoy your Sunday. Make it fruitful and meaningful. Bye for now. Thank you for viewing.